Hello, good morning, student. Welcome back. Today we discuss ergot in pearl millet. Ergot disease of pearl millet has been reported from India, Pakistan, and several countries in Africa. In India, the disease is present in all the states where pearl millet is cultivated. What is pearl millet? Pearl millet Pennisetum glaucum is an annual grass in the family Poaceae, which is grown widely in Africa and India. Pearl millet is very robust grass which tillers widely and grow in tuft. The leaves of the plant are linear or lens-like and 3.3 feet in length. The inflorescence of the plant is a spike-like panicles. You can see in the figure, this is a pearl millet. This is a pearl millet, and this is widely grown in the India. It is also many other names. It is seeing as a brush like and light yellow in color Bristol cat tail millet or yellow Bristol grouse, and other synonyms like leaky, stabs, hub, and common names bulrush millet, cat tail millet, and others. So the economic importance क्या है pearl millet के? Ergot sometimes destructive disease on pearl millet grains in production in India. Although disease has been known for a long time, possibly over 100 years. First ergot epidemic was not reported until 1953. Importance of ergot as a major threat to pearl millet production was recognized in late 1960th century with the cultivation of commercial hybrids. Losses in great yield due to ergot has been estimated to the high as 70% in hybrids. So, how can it propagated? Basic requirement of the propagation of pearl millet is the low rainfall and warm season crop, and temperature required 20 to 24, and the pH is 6 to 7 point. Okay, then what is the symptom of ergot? Symptoms appear at the flowering stage. Pinkish honey type secretion from spikelets which become sticky, later called honeydew stage. On panicle, droplets of creamy to pink mucilaginous fluid are seen exuding from the infected. It drops onto the foliage and the ground. The droplets on the panicle become darker to form compact patches. Infected floret do not produce grain because the ovaries are replaced by compact, dark, hard fungal masses known as sclerotia. These sclerotia are often larger than the grain to produce out of the glooms. This is so. What is this? This is a contaminated pearl millet seed with ergot infection. This is infected grains which are sown in the field, and the crop is ultimately क्या होता है? कंटामिनेटेड क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है. दिस इज अ नॉर्मल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द ergot. एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसा होता है? Two types of conidia is found in this organism, macroconidia and microconidia. And macroconidia haline fusiform unicellular and form 1 to 3 germ tubes, and microconidia haline globular unicellular. The macro is fusiform and micro is globular and produce only worm germ tubes. And it is able to both macro and micro produce additional microconidia in chains. This is a common life cycle, disease life cycle. What is this? you can see from here. What is this? This is contaminated seeds, and when it is shown in the field, then germinated sclerotia, and then it is alternatively क्या करता है, प्लांट को कंटामिनेट करता है. ठीक है. Then what is the procedure? Contaminated seed infection of individual floret on a pearl millet inflorescence occur via stamens, white feathery structure through which the florets are fertilized following pollination. Initial infection is from spores produced from sclerotia in the soil. Then secondary infection is from the spores produced in the honeydew. Once the stigmas have been pollinated, they rapidly wither, are no longer available as the infection route for the ergot fungus. Pearl millet plant are protogynous, with the stigmas emerging before the anther. Then pearl millet F1 hybrid demonstrates synchronous flowering, so that most of the inflorescence in a crop will be at the protogynous stage, with little or no pollen available, which makes F1 hybrid particularly vulnerable to ergot infection. Heavy rain at the flowering time washes down pollen, extending the period at which the stigmas are available for infection, as well as providing ideal condition for the germination and sporulation of the ergot fungus. Then how can you manage these diseases? These diseases manage cultural control, repowering, and separate infested seeds, and floating lightweight infested seeds are separated from the normal grain, which sink to the bottom. Next is chemical control. Many fungicides spray scheduled for farmer is yet to be reduce the disease, and sea host resistant plant can be also used. Then pollen management and avoidance of sanitation and use of several resistant varieties are most effective against these disease. Thank you student for seeing the YouTube.